Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Here we have to find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it, so let's find this one. Then tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to customize, so let's tap on it. Here you can choose the photos from your own gallery or open the camera app and immediately take a photo of someone who's in front of you. Google Photos, so those which are backed up, and illustrations which are free of charge and are available online. So you can find something interesting, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. So let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on it, and here all we have to do is to if you will have the photo, you will be able to change the size of this photo, so zoom it in or out. You will be able to change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact in this illustration. You cannot do it, but trust me, it works like that. So position it just like you want to, and tap on choose. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.